Hi there, I'm Sally. Today I'll be your guide on the Testos tutorial. We'll be leaving the A19 at the next exit. Then we will be turning right, third exit, heading towards Sunderland North on the A184. As you know that you are going to be turning right at the next roundabout, position yourself in the right lane in preparation for the roundabout. Check your rear view mirror, then reduce your speed to 40 miles per hour. We're turning right, third exit towards Sunderland North, Boldon on the A184 East. Of the 4 lanes, the left 2 go towards Gateshead and Newcastle, the adjoining lane goes towards the Tyne Tunnel. Only the right lane turns right at the roundabout. Make progress, staying in the right lane. After the second exit, check your left blind spot, indicate left, and spiral into the left lane. Make progress, staying in the left lane. At the roundabout, we are going to follow the B1298. Left, first exit towards Boldon Business Park. As there were no speed limit signs, the speed here remains at 40 miles per hour. Cross the roundabout, first exit. The lane markings designate 2 lanes on this roundabout. Going straight ahead, you must slow and take the left lane, being aware of vehicles alongside you, turning right. At the next roundabout, turn right, third exit. At the next roundabout, turn left, first exit. Now we turn left into Boldon Colliery. This is an excellent stretch of road to practice meeting situations. There are cars on both sides here, so priority is shared. As the approaching car has committed to move, hold back at a safe distance from the car parked on the left and make progress when safe to do so. At this meeting situation, there are no cars on the left, so we have priority. The approaching vehicles should hold back, allowing us to make progress. Anticipate vehicles that don't adhere to the rules and always make progress, only when it is safe to do so. At the end of the road, turn right. This is the approach to what some driving instructors refer to as Scarey Corner. The speed limit has just changed to national speed limit, but in front of you the road both disappears to the left and then you are greeted by a no entry sign. Slow down to take the corner. Then as you turn to join the A19, check your right blind spot, right mirror, indicate to the right, and increase your speed using the full length of the acceleration lane to the speed of the road, emerging into the traffic, where you have a sufficient gap to do this safely. Shortly, we are going to leave the A19, following the A1290 towards Nissan offices. Our destination is Boldon on the A184. The lane to the very left is the hard shoulder. The hard shoulder is also known as the emergency lane or breakdown lane. The hard shoulder acts as a refuge for broken down vehicles, allowing them to be safely removed from the flow of traffic. And it also serves as an emergency lane for emergency vehicles to bypass traffic and get to the scene of an accident. Discuss this with your driving instructor. Now we're turning left on the A184 East. Following the A184 before the lane splits into two lanes, stay to the right-hand side in preparation for the junction. At the roundabout, we are going to cross the roundabout, second exit. Do not indicate right. Remain in the right-hand lane. As you come alongside the first exit, look left, indicate left, then exit the junction. Remember, the speed limit remains at 40 miles per hour. The lines below the 30-mile-per-hour markers give warning that the speed limit will drop to 30 shortly, but not immediately. Now the speed limit is 30 miles per hour. We're going to cross the mini roundabout second exit. Remember, it's called a roundabout, not a drive over. Imagine that there is a pole in the middle of it. When going around it, you are aiming to have the pole to your right-hand side and not in the middle of the car. Climbing the bank, we are going to turn right at the traffic lights. We move to the right into the filter lane. If you are unable to fit within the lines, hold back until a sufficient space appears. The light is still on green. We either wait for the right filter light to come on or a big enough gap for us to make progress. Remember, if you have passed the stop line, if the light changes to red, then you must clear the junction. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our collection. Discuss this video with your driving instructor at your next lesson.